The most important relationship you've ever had. Life can feel lonely even with people around. Being surrounded by loved ones doesn't guarantee feeling seen and understood. But here's the powerful truth. You are the only person in your life who truly knows and understands you, who truly gets you, who dreams and secrets you. That person is you. You are the only person who truly knows yourself. The power to understand, comfort, and show up for yourself is unique to you. It's not your parents, partners, or friends. It's not even your therapist. All of them can love you deeply, but only you living inside your head 24/7 understand everything inside and outside of you. So let's talk about how to heal that relationship. Start with this. 1. Giving yourself undivided attention. Every day, put aside distractions and stop what you're doing for a few minutes to be with yourself. Sit, breathe, and check in with yourself. Ask yourself, how am I feeling today? What's been on my mind? Because imagine talking to someone who never looks up from their phone. You wouldn't feel seen, right? So let's take that attention and give it to ourselves daily. 2. Meeting your needs in real time. When tired, take a break. When hungry, eat. When you need to take breaks, do so. Don't put your needs aside. You don't have to do everything anyone else wants you to do. 3. Don't withhold praise. You did something well today? Say it to yourself with pride. I am proud of myself for that. We often grow up criticizing ourselves and neglecting our own needs. But when you don't do that for yourself, you forget your strengths, and you start feeling like you don't matter. But that isn't true. You matter. And it's never too late to rebuild that relationship with yourself. So let's share 5 simple ways to heal your relationship with yourself. 1. Give yourself undivided attention. Every day, even if just for a few minutes, be present with yourself. No distractions, just you, breathing, checking in. 2. Meet your needs in real time. When necessary, do something that nourishes you. 3. Don't dismiss your feelings. Validate your emotions. 4. Don't avoid tough tasks. Face challenges head on. 5. Do the hardest thing first. Take your feelings seriously. Validate them. And face the hard stuff because you deserve peace. Because at the end of the day, the most important relationship you're ever going to have is with yourself. Let that be true, and rebuild that relationship with the help of these simple steps. Subscribe for more content like this.